My name is Marissa Kaczmarek, and we're back here after 6 UltraSlim treatments, and I am dying to go over my before and afters with you. So thank you for joining me, and I'm ready to talk about it today. Prior to the 6 treatments that I had with UltraSlim, I had to remember what I wanted to achieve, and I wanted to achieve a more athletic look to my torso and my backside, and to me, I achieved it through the definition of my stomach and over here, and then if we turn it around with the vector imaging, my dimples are starting to come back above my hip bone, and I lost about 7 inches within the 6 areas that we measure on, and that is about 3.1 liters of fat lost. And if you're not familiar with liters, that's about 3 of these bottles over here. For caloric intake, I lost about 21,253, which would give you about 78 hours on a bicycle if I had to exercise all those calories off, which would be about 3 days and 6 hours straight. Nobody can do 3 days straight on a bike. But with UltraSlim, I was able to meet those goals, and I feel great about it. So the dimples in my body goal that I talked about were right under my cheeks, and in my before and afters, they receded more than 50%. And with that, I am still going to continue my UltraSlim treatments to get more of a definition to my legs, my knees, and my calf areas. So during my 6 treatments of UltraSlim, I was asked a lot of questions on Facebook and asking if UltraSlim was permanent. Yes, it's permanent. Once we deplete your fat cell, it goes through your lymphatic system and leaves your body. I want people to remember, though, that if they elect to have cool sculpting, sculpture, or even lipo, when they kill a fat cell, there is a chance that the fat can come back as visceral fat on your organs or dysmorphic fat somewhere else in your body. But not with UltraSlim, because we don't kill a fat cell, we deplete it like a water balloon. I also, during my treatments, didn't go through any pain. I didn't have to diet, and I didn't have to go and submit my body through surgery or bruising at all. So thank you again so much for joining me, and continue to view as I reach my body goal next series, my legs.